Hey noisemakers, my name is Leslie with Making Noise. So you've probably heard about our new campaign called Sweet Freedom, where we're talking about the issue of child slaves used on cocoa farms in West Africa. So we wanted to kind of show you guys how you can buy chocolate that is guaranteed to not have used child slaves. In a blog that I wrote earlier, I talked a little about the Rainforest Alliance and the Fair Trade logo. Any chocolate that has those two logos on it is certified to have been made without the use of child slaves. Let me show you a little bit. So this right here is Sunspire, a type of fair trade organic cocoa. And as you can see right here, it has the Fair Trade certified logo. Now, as I said before, anything that has that logo on it, you can guarantee that child slaves were not used in the production of it, okay? But that's just one of them that we found. I'm going to show you some more. So my basket here is full of chocolate in preparation for Valentine's Day tomorrow. Here's one, Green and Black's Organic Dark Chocolate. Again, it also has the same Fair Trade certified logo on it. Now, besides the Fair Trade certified logo, there's another one, like I mentioned, that you should also look for. It's the Rainforest Alliance certified logo. Just like Fair Trade certified, anything that has the Rainforest Alliance certified means that no child slaves were used in the production of that cocoa. So you should definitely look out for these brands. We're going to put them on our website and in the blog so you can also take advantage of the great things that these companies are doing. Alright? See you later, noisemakers.